Hey, what's going on, everybody? Stock Catcher here. In this video, I'm going to be talking about some potential stocks that you guys should be watching. So today in the pre-market, there was just a lot of opportunity for the team. There was many plays that ended up going over 100%. They were ripping face. And I made a video actually yesterday describing the exact strategy step by step. For people, if you haven't watched it, I highly recommend check it out. It's the educational video where I share my strategy. Where in the pre-market, there's a lot of breaking news, right? And then today, it worked out exactly as I said in the video, right? If you watch the video, PHIO ran over 100%. TAR ran over 100%. FEMI, I think, ran 65% or something like that. There was many plays, and it's going to be like that every single day. Every single day for years, you're going to see stocks in the morning time have news as well as just ripping face. And this has been going on since I started trading many years ago. And it's only going to continue, in my opinion. So highly recommend you study as well as prepare for these type of moves, right? So first stock today that was really interesting to me is PTIX. So PTIX, this is a biotech stock, and if you've been noticing lately, the past couple of weeks, all these most of these bio stocks are just ripping face. I see them going 100%, 200%, and this is a stock that is very thin. This is a stock that makes very nice moves in the past. And when you're talking about the stock, you have to also look at the potential, the catalyst angle, right? Not just the technical angle. So I recommend you do more research on that as well, because for these videos, I'm trying to make it as short as possible. So I can't go too deep into the fundamental side. So next stock we're going to talk about is NAKA. This stock actually is they have invested via subsidiary into crypto Bitcoin strategy. So it's basically like a $30 million investment, which has opportunity in my opinion, right? So this stock, a lot of people have been telling me to make a video on this stock. And if you look at the technical chart as well, this is forming a kind of multi-day type of setup where it's kind of consolidating. After the move up, it's kind of forming a multi-day potential setup. So keep an eye on this stock, guys. Next stock I'll talk about is Boxlight. BoxL. This is a stock that made a really big move up. I think it was like a few weeks ago. And this is a stock that you want to watch, right? This is educational technology, as well as it's a micro small cap stock that's usually on the more thin side. And if you go to the daily chart, it's making a big range down where it's made a big move up. And then now, look at the daily chart. It's like a huge, kind of like a cap bounce type of setup. So you want to look for potential catalyst for the stock as well, right? Potential contract, potential margin improvement fundamentally. So when we're talking about Boxlight, I want to see 125 hold. 125 hold will be a nice opportunity in my opinion, right? Next stock, ITP. ITP is micro penny. Micro penny is any stock that's under around 25-30 cents. And if you've been noticing the past couple of weeks, these stocks are ripping so much. Remember these stocks like today there was several of them. I believe, I don't have my computer with me right now, but there was many that refaced the stocks under 25 cents. So ITP, this is basically a company where they're manufacturing and distributing product, including paper. This is more like, it's not really about the fundamental side for me for this one. This is more of a technical setup rather than a fundamental company, right? Because trading is not just about one side. It's not just about the company. It's also just about the other variables as well, such as, sector play, momentum, psychology, technical chart. So this one you got to watch for potential price action, right? Next stock is egg. So egg, this one I've been noticing lately, every single time this stock, when you least expect it, just slowly creeps up, right? This is a stock that's really interesting that I've been monitoring for weeks now. And I even told you guys on the live stream, right? This stock, after it moves up, it usually just kind of just chills, it doesn't really go crazy super fast with high volume. It just kind of slowly creeps up. And this is something you have to add to your watch list to monitor, right? This is an interesting one. So next stock we're going to talk about is G+. So GPUS, hyperscale data. This is a stock I made many videos on. And then after my video, it made a really nice move up. And then right now, looking at it right now, it's kind of at that base level again, at that support level. So I'm going to be looking at this stock because this is an AI infrastructure data center, this type of play digital asset. So this stock actually has a significant fundamental side as well when you talk about the stock. If you succeed in repurposing a facility for high margin AI infrastructure, or similar to like crypto mining, there could be potential big upside, right? Considering the fact that the stock also has NVIDIA angle. So for G Plus, you want to see the fundamental catalyst for the stock potential in the upcoming weeks as well, right? Not just technical wise, I said earlier, it's just kind of in a base level, but also look at the future catalysts as well, right? For GPUs. You're holding the stock, let me know down in the comments more information or what's your price target, because a lot of people seem really bullish on the stock, and I like making videos about stocks that you guys are bullish on, right? So next stock, I'm gonna talk about Newegg. Newegg, this one I made many videos on. You can check where after my videos I made a really nice move up. And then if you go daily chart right now, it's forming a kind of extension. Like daily chart is kind of ripping right now, going vertical. So I said in the previous video, right, this stock, once it goes towards the holidays, once you get to Black Friday, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, these type of times, these type of companies, they really do good. Retail companies, I talked about Macy's, I talked about Newegg, I talked about all these companies like KSS, Kohl's. Oh, you got to keep an eye on the sector, guys, retail, as well as this type of online shopping, right? So if you have any more stocks, let me know down in the comments as well, guys. So next stock you got to watch is NUKK. This is a company in digital fintech infrastructure. And this stock actually indicate that they acquired Star 26 in defense fintech. So this is a stock that has been making a really nice multi-day type of setup. But I'm keeping an eye on this stock because again, it's pulling back towards that support level. So this might be interesting one to consider. So this video, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. I hope people are just doing great. And if you're not part of the team, I highly recommend joining the team, guys. I'm just trying to help people every day. And Stock Catcher signing out, guys. I hope you guys have a great week. The week just started, guys. Have a great night. And good night, everybody.